Mr. Speaker, since the last sitting of the House, there are two matters of national importance that have arisen, which I believe warrant the attention of this House. The first relates to the decision by the government of Jamaica to seek to expropriate the shareholdings of the Venezuelan government, their shares in Petrojan. And secondly, the decision of the government of Jamaica to support a resolution at the OAS not to recognize the Maduro regime in Venezuela. Mr. Speaker, on the agenda for Parliament that was circulated, it was indicated that the Prime Minister would have made a statement on the matter. I'm advised that that matter is going to be taken next week. But I felt, given the public discussion, the importance of this matter to not just national affairs, but to the international standing of Jamaica, I felt it was important to raise it. Mr. Speaker, we are in unprecedented times in the country where a government makes a decision to expropriate shares of the foreign investor in this country. We believe that there are many other methods that should have been explored, examined, and pursued before getting to this stage of pursuing this action. Some of those actions include seeking international mediation or arbitration. Mr. Speaker, I want to remind this House that the government and people of Venezuela have been friends to the government and people of Jamaica over an extended period of time. Most recently, under the Petro-Carib Agreement, the assistance that the government of Jamaica received would supersede any assistance by any foreign government in the history of our country. It was also provided at a time when the government was in a very difficult financial situation and allowed us to navigate through very difficult those waters. Mr. Speaker, the actions of the government will most likely lead to legal action being pursued by the government of Venezuela. Those actions can cost the taxpayers of this country billions of dollars that we may have to pay in restitution if a court rules against us. And we believe the actions also send a negative signal to foreign direct investors who may view their investments in the country with some skepticism and may worry that if for some reason they fall afoul of the government, then similar actions may be taken. Mr. Speaker, the government of Jamaica supported a resolution at the OAS not to recognize the Maduro regime, while simultaneously they sent a representative to the swearing-in of the Maduro. We believe both actions send mixed signals about what our true position is, create confusion, and it is imperative that the government clarify and state clearly what is the position in relation to Venezuela from a foreign policy perspective.
Thank you, Mr. Robinson.